नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रों, आज आपण मॅथ्स पार्ट 2 यामधील टॉपिक नंबर 1 सिमिलॅरिटी यामधील अतिशय महत्त्वाचा थेरम आपण बघणार आहोत. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट थेरम इन सिमिलॅरिटी, दॅट इज बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम. तो आपण पाहणार आहोत. त्याची सिद्धता आपण या ठिकाणी अभ्यासणार आहोत. हा जो प्रमेय आहे ना, तो यापूर्वी बोर्डाला अनेक वेळा विचारलेला आहे. अनेक वेळा त्याचं प्रूफ विचारलेलं आहे, 3 किंवा 4 मार्काला. जर प्रूफ नाही विचारला, थेरम नाही विचारला, तर उदाहरणं तर 100% याच्यावरती विचारले जातात. त्यामुळे हा थेरम अतिशय महत्त्वाचा आहे, तो समजून घ्यायचा आहे. सो टुडे वी हॅव टू लर्न द बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम. सो थेरम स्टेटमेंट ऑफ थेरम इज इफ अ लाइन parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides into distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same ratio. Once again listen this statement of the basic proportionality theorem. If a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides into distinct points, then line divides the sides in the same proportion. याचा मराठी अर्थ काय होतो? जर एखादी रेषा त्रिकोणाच्या एका बाजूला समांतर असेल आणि उरलेल्या बाजूंना 2 भिन्न बिंदू छेद असेल, तर ती रेषा त्या बाजूंना एकाच प्रमाणात विभागते. सो टुडे वी हॅव टू प्रूव्ह दिस थेरम. सो यू नो, फॉर द प्रूफ ऑफ द थेरम, फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द फिगर. फिगर इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. फिगर इज इसेन्शियल. if you don't write the figure and write given to prove and proof, there is no value for that. So that means first draw the figure of the theorem. परंतु सर्वात महत्त्वाचं काय आहे की कोणत्याही थेरमचं प्रूफ लिहिण्यासाठी आकृती आवश्यक आहे. आकृती जर नाही काढली ना, तर पक्ष साध्य म्हणजे गिवन टू प्रूफ तुम्ही बरोबर लिहिला असेल तर त्याला काही किंमत नाही, त्याला मार्क नसतात. So for that proof of this theorem, first we draw the figure. So if a line is parallel to a side of a triangle, means draw the triangle. I will draw here triangle ABC. Suppose line L is parallel to a side BC of triangle ABC. Okay. And which divides side AB and side AC at point P and Q respectively, which shown in the figure. So from this given information, we should draw this figure. Triangle ABC, line L parallel to BC, which shown in there, which divides side AB and AC at point P and Q respectively. So from this figure, you should draw the antecedent part, that is given part. Okay, so given. What is given? From if and then, this is given part is there, this is the antecedent part of the theorem. If a line is parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining side in 2 distinct points. So in this figure, which triangle is there? Triangle ABC. So right here given, in triangle ABC, line L parallel to side BC. Also line L intersects side AB and side AC in which point? At point P and Q respectively. That you should note here, at point P and Q respectively. This is the given part. If you write given part correct from the figure, you got half marks. Then what should prove there? That is consequent part. After then, in conditional statement, there is a consequent part. That is, in other words, to prove part is there. Then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Means line L divides side AB and side AC at point P and Q. That's why. So side AB is divided into 2 segments, segment AP and segment PD. Line L divides side AC into 2 segments, segment AQ and segment QC. ratio of these two segments, they are equal. Proportion means, ratios are equal. So ratio of these two segments of side AB equal to corresponding ratio of two segments of side AC. So that is two proof part here. In mathematical language, AP divided by PB. Ratio of these two segments of side AP equal to corresponding ratio of two segments of side AC, AQ divided by QC. This is two proof part is there. Okay, we should prove this theorem by using properties of ratio of areas of two triangles. So let us go in the figure. Is there two triangles which have the side AB and side PB in the figure? मी काय म्हणतोय मुलांना तुमच्या लक्षात येते का? आता आपल्याला हा थेरम प्रूव्ह करायचा आहे प्रॉपर्टी आहेत रेशो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगलच्या आधारे. मग ज्याची बाजू AB होईल ज्याची बाजू PB होईल असे दोन त्रिकोण या आकृतीमध्ये आहेत का? असतील तर ते घ्या आणि प्रूफ लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. आपण पाहिलं तर साइड AP असणारा ट्रायंगल APQ आहे पण साइड PB असणारा ट्रायंगल फिगर मध्ये नाही आहे. सो दॅट्स व्हाय दिस फिगर इज नॉट इनफ टू प्रूव्ह दिस थेरम. सो वी रिक्वायर construction. So do your construction. So draw the segment QB. Draw the segment QB. So you got here triangle PQB has side PB. Similarly for side QC, draw the segment PC. This is construction here, note here. So for construction, there is a mark. Construction. Why do here construction? We discuss. Okay. So what is construction? Draw segment PC and segment QB. Draw segment PC and segment QB. Then proof. So from these two proof part, find the two triangles which have the side AP and PB. So in figure, triangle APQ have side AP and triangle PQB has side PB. Observe these two triangles in the figure. Okay, these two triangle APQ and triangle PQB has one vertex is common. Which vertex is common between these two triangles? Vertex Q. And side opposite to vertex Q which is common there, AP and PB, they are in one line. Okay, so you know what type of these two triangles are there? Triangle APQ and triangle PQB has one vertex common and side opposite to them in each triangle they are in one line, means these two triangles have equal heights. So therefore statement number 1, triangle APQ and triangle PQB have equal heights. And you know, ratio of areas of these two triangles which have the equal heights is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. And which bases we are already discussed on that. The side which are in the one line, they are the bases of that triangles. So area of these two triangles is equal to area of their corresponding bases because these two triangles have equal heights. So I will write there. Therefore area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQB equal to their corresponding bases चा रेशो घ्या. म्हणजे या दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचे गुणोत्तर हे त्यांच्या संगत पायांच्या प्रमाणात. पाये कुठले? ज्या त्या सरळ रेषेमध्ये बाजू आहेत AP आणि PB त्यांचं गुणोत्तर. म्हणजेच काय येईल रे बाळांनो? AP divided by PB. Right, this is statement number 1. Cause of triangle having equal height. Okay. Similarly, we get, look at in the figure, triangle APQ and triangle PQC also have one vertex is common there, that is vertex P, and side opposite to both triangles, that is AQ and QC, they are in one line. Means these two triangles also have equal heights, and ratio of these two ratio of areas of these two triangles equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Which bases you know there? The sides which are in the one line, they are the bases. So similarly, we can write here. Similarly, we get area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC equal to ratio of their corresponding bases, that is base of triangle APQ is AQ and base of triangle PQC is segment QC, ratio of these two. So that is AQ divided by QC. Statement number 2, cause is the triangle having equal heights. Okay. So always you can focus on your two part, that is your final stop is there. Okay. So what we can prove here? AP divided PB is equal to AQ divided QC. That are the right hand side of equation 1 and 2. Can you say that right hand sides of equation 1 and 2 are equal? If and if left hand sides of equation 1 and 2 are equal. So focus on the left hand sides of equation 1 and 2. Observe that both left hand sides of equation 1 and 2 have same numerator but denominators are different. If we prove that these denominators are also equal, then we say that left hand sides of equation 1 and 2 are equal. So that's why equation 1 and 2 has right hand sides are also equal. So which denominators of equation 1 and 2 are there? विधान नंबर 1 आणि 2 च्या उजव्या बाजू आपल्याला समान दाखवायच्या. केव्हा समान होतील? जर त्यांच्या डाव्या बाजू समान असतील तर. डाव्या बाजूमध्ये बारकाईने पहा की त्यांचे अंश सारखे आहेत पण छेद भिन्न आहेत. मग छेद नेमके कोण आहेत? एरिया ट्रायंगल PQB आणि एरिया ट्रायंगल PQC दोन्ही समान झाले. तर आता ते कुठे ट्रायंगल आहेत फिगर मध्ये पहा. वेअर दे आर ट्रायंगल्स इन द फिगर. सो ट्रायंगल PQB and triangle PQC, these two are there. They have common side PQ. बारकाईने निरीक्षण करा, त्यांची कॉमन साइड आहे PQ and they are situated in these two parallel sides, these two parallel lines, आणि ते या दोन समांतर रेषांमध्ये बद्ध झालेले आहेत, situated in two parallel lines. So that's why these two triangles also have same height also. Okay, so statement number 3, triangle PQB and triangle PQC has common side PQ segment PQ parallel to side BC. Hence these two triangles have equal height. Hence triangle PQB and triangle PQC have equal height also. So both triangles have same base, same height, they are equal. That means area of these two triangles are equal. So I will write here area of triangle PQB equal to area of triangle PQC. Statement number 4. Compare equation 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, equation 3 is there. So equation 1, 2, 3, these three equations you can compare. You got here numerators are same, denominators are same, means left hand sides of equation 1 and 2 are they are equal. So further statement is there, from 1, 2 and 3. So area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC. Statement number 4. And last statement. So you can need of left hand sides of equation 1 and 2 are equal. So you can prove here. आपल्याला 1 आणि 2 च्या डाव्या बाजू समान दाखवायच्या त्या विधान नंबर 4 मध्ये मिळालेले आहे. म्हणजे आपण असं म्हणू शकतो का विधान नंबर 1, 2 आणि 4 वरून 1 आणि 2 च्या डाव्या बाजू समान आहेत म्हणून उजव्या बाजू समान आहे. म्हणून स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम 1, 2 and 4 left hand sides of equation 1 and 2 are equal in equation 4. So right hand sides of equation 1 and 2 are equal. AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC. That is two properties there which is proved here. So proof of basic property theorem is completed. So what is the basic property theorem? If a line is parallel to a side of a triangle, intersects remaining side in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. म्हणजे काय सांगतो हा थिअरम की त्रिकोणाच्या एका बाजूला समांतर असणारी रेषा उरलेल्या दोन बाजूंना दोन भिन्न छेद असेल तर ती रेषा त्या बाजूला समान गुणोत्तरात विभागते. म्हणजे त्या बाजूंचे जे दोन खंड होतात त्यांचं गुणोत्तर समान असतं. दॅट इज द बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी थिअरम. प्रूफ ऑफ दिस थिअरम इज कंप्लीटेड.